Now, Chapter 9, Class 8 Science, Crop Production and its Management. Autotroph, heterotroph. Now, crop production. Agriculture, the practice of cultivating for growing crops is known as agriculture. What is this? The practice of cultivating land for growing crops is known as agriculture. Food from plants. Agricultural practices. Agriculture started about 10,000 years ago. Both agriculture and domestication started in the Fertile Crescent in East Africa and in the Middle East. Wheat and barley are some of the first crops humans have been growing since times immemorial. Agricultural practices. Kharif and Rabi crops. The main Kharif crops, paddy and maize, are grown during the months from June to October. Kharif crop, Rabi crop. Season, rainy season, June to October. Examples, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut. Rabi crop, winter season, November to April, wheat, mustard, linseed. The word Rabi in Arabic language means spring. The Rabi crops are named so because they are harvested in spring. Similarly, the word Kharif means autumn in Arabic. The various agricultural practices required for growing crops are preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, addition of manures and fertilizers, irrigation, crop protection, harvesting, storage, preparation of soil, plowing or tilling. Soil is a very good medium for the germination and growth of seed. It has to be prepared for growing a crop. Preparation of the soil involves loosening and turning it. This process is known as plowing or tilling. Plowing has following advantage. It improves air circulation so that roots can respire easily. Roots can penetrate deeper into the soil. This enables them to hold the plant firmly. Plowing enhances the water retaining capacity of the soil. Plowing uproots the weeds growing in the field. It also aids in the growth of the microbes. Sowing. Planting of seeds in the soil is known as sowing. Broadcasting. Seeds can be scattered in the field manually. This is called broadcasting. Nursery. Now about nursery. In some crops like paddy, tomato and chili, seeds are sown in a small plot called nursery. Transplanting in a paddy field. Soil replenishment. Field follow, crop rotation, manures. Fertilizers. Vermicomposting is a process of using earthworms to prepare manure from plant waste leaves. Role of leguminous plants in increasing the nitrogen content of the soil. Here, root nodules in a leguminous plant. Now next term is irrigation. The supply of water to the plants in the field is known as irrigation. Waterlogging. Excessive supply of water can reduce air in the soil spaces and can cause waterlogging. traditional system of irrigation, modern system of irrigation, a sprinkler system. Drip irrigation, crop protection, protection from weeds, unwanted plants. Weeding, the removal of weeds is called weeding. Manual removal, tilling before sowing, weedicides, protection from pests. Organism, there are some organisms that especially attack and damage the crops. These organisms are known as pests. Chemicals are sprayed on the crops to kill such pests. These chemicals are known as pesticides. Many farmers are now using biological methods for pest control. In this method, some living organisms are introduced in the fields that selectively feed on pests without harming the crops. For example, many species of birds, ladybird, beetles, and wasps are used for biological control of pests. Harvesting, threshing, thresher combine. Storage, crop improvement, green revolution, hybridization. Another way of improving yield is by developing new varieties of crops. This can be done by crossbreeding two different varieties. This phenomena is known as hybridization. GM crops or generally modified crops are plants whose DNA has been modified using various techniques of genetic engineering. DNA of these plants is modified to impart them characteristics that are not naturally present in them. Such characteristics include resistance to pests and diseases, longer shelf life, tolerance to various abiotic stresses, to name a few. Okay, agriculture, practice of cultivating land for growing crops. Now question answer time. Flowing, weeds, leguminous, dried rhizobium, inoculation, crop rotation, rice, manure, threshing, kharif crops. Time is money. Now question answer time, chapter 9. This is my 9th video for class 8 science. Crop production and its management. You may pause the video and you may revise question answer of all chapter. Here mainly chapter 9. Pause the video and you are able to watch and you are able to watch all these question answer and you may revise. Your final examination is near, so I have started to make video and there is a suggestion, and this is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for DAV science video. In this platform you may get question answer of all classes in video form. Okay, once again I am repeating, subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get upcoming video. Thank you. Have a nice day.